All Better the app presents the All Banter Show, where we discuss all things all better about life, business, and more. Hi, I'm Paul.
And I'm Tariq.
Of All Better. Now, if you don't know what All Better is, how many shows have you done here? 6, 7? Just download the All Better app. It's right down there. And the thing is, if you're a homeowner or a consumer and you want to have more power than any other app will give you, download the app.
And if you're contractors and you want to get your first dollar through the door, find tools to help you grow and manage your business, download the app. It's free.
Yeah, and really, All Better makes it all better. So, Tariq.
Yes, sir. Let's talk about the actual privacy in this home service category space.
Ooh.
I want to bring into to the consumer's attention first. Whenever you go to these sites where you're looking for outsourcing for home repairs, I am surprised that they actually did not know this. Every time you go through these marathons of applications, filling up your first name, last name, address, zip code, what's your problems, and you hit the submit button, they said, oh yeah, we're going to find you somebody. What essentially happened behind the scene is your information that you manually entered gets packaged and sold to contractors. We're talking about your phone number, your address, your name, you name it, all of that stuff. And it gets sold for like anywhere from $20 to a couple $100.
Well, the point is, I look at people everywhere are all say, I'm busy, I'm overwhelmed. I need things to work easy and fast. And what's this? I haven't got time to worry about all this stuff, right?
Right.
Look what's happening behind the when we don't even know.
But here's what's the problem with that too, right? Whenever they take that information, they package and send it to these small businesses, they're turning businesses, mom and pop shop small businesses, into telemarketers. Those people are going to call you. They're going to bombard you, email, text message, all form of communications, going to ask you the same questions again and again. So where's the saving in time here?
Well, it's not. But see, are these 2 points. First is the issue of privacy. And then what does that mean when someone not only violates your privacy, but it's monetizing behind the scenes? See, everyone, if you really ask someone to say, do you want companies to be looking at your private information and tracking you? People say, no, I really don't. But everyone feels they're just too busy and it feels too complicated. iPhone users have a few advantages, of course. But the thing is, once you feel your privacy violated, you might actually tolerate that and get used to it. So again, how do we know when we're on a site that's using our information to monetize it like that? What can we do?
Well, there's a better way out there, man. There's a lot of different solutions. One of it is what All Better has to offer, is we make that phone number private. We hide the address. You don't have to repeat your story to every single one because everybody gets the exact same copy of your descriptions if you spend a really good time about it, describing what the issue in detail is. And the interesting thing about it is, like, look, in any negotiation, the most critical things that no one is talking about is price, right? I like the idea that I want to save time, but I want to save money too, right? If I can get both, that's wonderful. But let's go back to that problem of privacy also as well. Like, right? I feel like consumers, they don't realize that probably and unintentionally, obviously, costing these small businesses money, especially those what we like to call them the window shoppers. You're just trying to get a quote and you're just trying to get a number in mind and feel like, okay, I'll think about it, I'll decide. The thing is that's already cost these businesses dollar amounts that they're probably never going to make back. And perhaps, if you're looking for a better alternative solutions, I'm not trying to promote my company here, All Better, but look, I have been in those sides of this equations. I've been to consumers, I've been to contractors. It is a brutal space. And these tech companies, they put this shareholders and investors are the center focus instead of actually serving their audience. You know what I mean? Like you've had experience with those.
Yeah, when you use an app of any kind, the first question maybe we got to think about is, who is this really for? If you use an app and you feel like this is serving me and they're not asking for anything, well, that's probably a first good sign. But it's true. I'm reminded more and more what we're doing with All Better is making literally everything all better, which means that if you are trying to do a simple transaction, hire someone to come into your home, you want to feel safe and secure about that person. The person coming in wants to feel safe and secure. You want to know what the work is going to be. You want to know what you're going to pay for it. And the last thing you want to think about is that the app is monetizing you. It just blows my mind. The more of this you find out when you dig below the surface. So the main thing is, what will the viewer of this, what do you tolerate when it comes to privacy? What do you tolerate as far as someone monetizing your identity? Let us know and stick around for our next call, where we're going to talk about something else in life, in business, in apps, and what could make anything all better. I'm Paul.
And I'm Tariq.
See you later.
Bye.